Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv, where we help you choose the right products for your home, no matter the mess. Today, we're taking a close look at the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max AutoVac Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Lightweight, powerful, and designed for ultimate convenience, this vacuum promises to clean up both big and small messes across a variety of surfaces. With its cordless design, multi-surface toolkit, and DustVault technology, it aims to be the go-to cleaning tool for tough jobs around the house or in your car. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max is a cordless, handheld vacuum designed to make cleaning simple and efficient. Powered by Hoover's ONEPWR battery system, it offers both portability and impressive runtime, ensuring you can tackle everything from quick spills to more thorough cleanups. With a dual cyclonic DustVault technology, it promises to capture 99.4% of dirt and dust particles, maintaining suction throughout your entire cleaning session. This feature alone is a significant point of interest for anyone tired of vacuums that lose suction as they fill up. Weighing in at just a few pounds, the Blade Max is designed to be easy to handle, reducing arm strain during use. But does it handle all the messes you typically encounter in your home or car? Hoover claims this model can clean just about anything, from carpets and rugs to upholstery and pet hair. The vacuum comes with a full range of tools, including a motorized pet tool, a dusting brush, a flexi crevice tool, and a tough dirt tool, all designed to help you tackle every mess, from those stuck between couch cushions to the pet hair embedded in your car seats. With two ONEPWR batteries included, you're given the power to clean from room to room without worrying about running out of juice too quickly. When it comes to performance, the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max certainly delivers. The suction power is robust, even when dealing with stubborn messes. Cleaning fine dust and dirt from hard floors or lifting embedded pet hair from carpets is no challenge for this vacuum. The high-performance motor ensures that the suction remains consistent, even as the dustbin fills up, which is a common pain point with many other handheld models. The motorized pet tool is especially effective at picking up hair, whether on your carpets or your furniture. However, the real standout here is the DustVault technology. This system is designed to trap dirt and dust without loss of suction, which helps improve the vacuum's overall efficiency during longer cleanings. In real-world testing, this vacuum performs well across a variety of surfaces. It excels on hard floors, quickly picking up crumbs and dust, and it doesn't struggle with thicker pile carpets either. The pet hair tool is a definite bonus for homes with animals, as it picks up hair efficiently without leaving clumps behind. Using the flexi crevice tool to get into tight spaces, like between the cushions of your couch or along baseboards, was smooth and easy, making those tricky areas much easier to clean. While the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max performs admirably, it's not without its drawbacks. One concern some users may have is its weight. While it's fairly light for a handheld vacuum, after a longer cleaning session, especially with the extended hose attachments, you may start to feel some strain in your arm. The noise level is also something to consider. It's not excessively loud, but it's noticeable enough that you may not want to use it early in the morning if you have light sleepers in the house. Also, while the battery life is decent, in high power mode, you may notice a slight dip in runtime, especially when dealing with heavier messes. However, it's worth noting that having two batteries included allows you to swap one out if necessary for extended cleaning sessions. Now let's talk about the value. The Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max sits at a mid-range price point for a cordless handheld vacuum, but with its performance and comprehensive toolkit, it justifies the price. When you consider the high-quality filtration, versatility, and the inclusion of two batteries, this model offers solid value for its price. It competes well with other similar models, offering more power and features compared to some in the same price range. For pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone needing a vacuum that works well on both hard floors and carpets, it stands out as a reliable option. When compared to other models in the same category, like the Black & Decker Dustbuster or similar handheld vacuums, the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max is in a league of its own with superior suction power and better filtration. While both are convenient handheld options, the Hoover outperforms in terms of maintaining suction and handling messes like pet hair. It also has a better battery system with the inclusion of 2 1PWR batteries compared to single battery systems in many alternatives. In terms of build quality, the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max feels solid and well constructed with no flimsy parts. The design is sleek and the dustbin is easy to empty, though a little extra care is needed when removing and reinserting the filter to avoid any damage. Maintenance is generally simple. Cleaning the brush roll and replacing filters is straightforward, and the included tools are easy to remove and wash. Customer service from Hoover has a solid reputation. While I haven't personally had to deal with any issues for this specific model, Hoover is known for offering reliable customer support and handling warranty claims well. Their products typically have a long lifespan, and any issues tend to be resolved promptly. For those looking for a more advanced vacuum, the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max also comes equipped with smart features like a charge indicator and interchangeable batteries, which makes it highly versatile and adaptable to different cleaning needs. However, it does not come with app connectivity or other advanced smart features seen in more premium models. In conclusion, the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max AutoVac handheld vacuum cleaner is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile cordless vacuum. It offers strong suction, efficient cleaning performance, and a comprehensive set of attachments that make it well suited for homes with pets, multiple surfaces, and tricky cleaning spots. While it's not the lightest vacuum on the market and does have some noise, its overall performance, especially in terms of suction and battery life, make it an excellent investment for most households. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content just like this. Got questions or thoughts about the Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max? Leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home clean and your tech in check.